Hello, this is Eric Smith here at Tactical Flex in the support department, and we're going to be covering today Action Management, a tool that allows users to create automated tasks to do any number of things from alerts to event management. And here we are looking at our main dashboard. We're just looking at a test environment, and to access Action Management you'll want to go up to My Options. You'll find Action Management. As you can see here, I've already created a few different actions to do a number of things. The green light here is showing you that it's enabled with a name and a description. The number here is showing you how many times it's actually executed and the date created. So to show you exactly what you can do and how simple and quick it is, let's just click Create Action. And once it's created, we'll come right into the Edit menu. First off, you'll definitely want to enable it, give it a name, description, and you'll notice here under this match type, this is giving you the option to match any, match all of the criteria, which is handy because when it comes to this criteria to match, you can essentially match anything that is network traffic related. And what we can do here is stack criteria on top of each other. So for example, we could say, well, we want to match a given IP address. And we'll add that. And if it includes anything, we'll just say risk level 1. Then we want to go ahead and perform these actions. We'll get to those here in a moment. So this is where it gives us this option to match any or match all of the criteria. Looking at the threshold here, when we set the threshold to 0, what this means is that every time our criteria is met, our actions will be executed. Now, if we want to make some changes to that, especially I've seen folks opt to get an email alert when they see a Risk 1 event, which could quickly load their inbox with thousands of emails. And so what you can do here under the threshold and incorporating with the threshold time is to say, well, if we see, and we'll just incorporate it here, if we see 30 Risk 1 events from that IP address in the amount of 500 seconds, then go ahead and perform our actions. Further, before you make any other changes here, you'll definitely want to click Update, so we'll just make sure we're enabled here again. We'll say it can match any of the criteria. We'll just click Update. You further have the option to, again, disable that match count if you like. And under the actions to be performed, here's what you can do. As far as simply doing nothing, just to logging it, to send that email. And again, just as our criteria to match, as we can stack that, we can also stack our actions here. So we could say under these actions to be performed, send an email. And then on top of that, I want you to go ahead and tag the event as high risk. Now, since we are getting an email here, what we can further do is customize the email template. We'll just say here, high risk alert. And all this information will further be filled in with the details of the actual event itself once it's generated. So we'll just click Update here. We can come back here to Action Management. And there we go. So we have our action. It's currently turned on. Of course, nothing has happened at this point. Now, another thing I especially want to note here is that, as you can see, we have multiple events here. You can create as many events as you need. And the other great thing here is that they're all running independently. They are not, I guess, running in a sense of importance where this guy needs to fire first, and after everything is checked here, then we'll move down the line. That's not the case. They're all ready to fire independently as the criteria is matched. So again, this is Action Management, some great easy tools for you to use. And if you have any questions, we'd like to hear from you. Give us a call, email, chat. We'll get it worked out. Thank you and have a great day.